Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In this episode, let's understand about transformed axis and how transformed axis makes our lives simpler when it comes to certain types of questions. There are a couple of criteria for which you can use transformed axis method, and we will discuss this along in the video. Let's look at this simple question, which is 3x plus 2y whole square plus x minus y whole square is equal to 16. And what we have to do is find the area of the shape enclosed in this figure. To make our visualization better, what I have done is I have plotted this graph on Desmos, and as you can see, the red ring is this curve, the 3x plus 2y is this blue line, and the x minus y is this line. So let's first understand criteria 1. The criteria 1 is transformed axis works only when the things that we want to transform are straight lines. And what the concept we are trying to use is, instead of my regular x-axis and my regular y-axis, I am going to transform the axis as my new x-axis and my new y-axis. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write this as x transformed square plus y transformed square is equal to 16. And in this equation, this looks like a circle whose radius is 4 and the area of the circle is 16 pi. Life would have been so much easy if that was the answer, right? Unfortunately, that's not the answer, because when we try to view this curve from an actual x and y axis, it's not a circle. It's possibly an ellipse, but it's not a circle. So the equation, the area is not 16 pi, the area is 16 pi in my transformed frame of reference. The way we come back to our original frame of reference is using the dividing it with this, where a1 and b1 are the coefficients of the first line, and a2 and b2 are the coefficients of the y transformed line. And if I use this here, I will get the area as 16 pi by mod of 3 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1, which is going to give me 3 plus 2, and the answer is going to be 16 pi by 5. Now, why does this work for straight lines is something that we will discuss in our next video. Stay tuned. If you did like this content, do share, like and subscribe to our channel.